Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on SONY Xperia L1. So first, go into the apps and settings, then search for the battery. It should be right here. Stamina mode, enable it, and select always on. I'll disable it for now so you will see better. Then go into the quick settings by scrolling from the top and once again and lower the brightness. Then you can still in here disable what you're not currently using. So the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode you can enable if you're not using anything. Disable the hotspot, cast, and mobile data, but I don't have SIM card right now, so I don't have this option. Then you can go into the display and enable adaptive brightness like I have, but I'll disable it so you will see better once again. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.